Hi friends, welcome to AR Inspire, which is an Amar Raja thought leadership arena. I'm excited and lucky to get this wonderful platform to share my experience. I'm Sridevi from HR, working from past 29 years in Amar Raja. Today, let me share my 29 years of feelings, which emotionally connects with Amar Raja and slowly touched my life with the change embracing me. When we first listen the word change, the immediate feel and response comes within us is fear. We are introduced to change the day we are born. This happens at every stage of life. When we take our first step as a child, when we go to school, then college, going to the new job, moving abroad, getting married, having kids, and even at the time of retirement, when we are supposed to enjoy the life, still that fear is cuddling with us. To overcome this, everyone have to build his or her immune system over a period of time. There are some people who have great immune system. They immediately accept the change without a problem. There are people who are actually develop an immune system towards change with time and experience and age. And there are also few people who are totally scared of the word change. In my early stage in my job, I was among these few peoples. Now, let me come to my work-life journey. 29 years back, I came for an interview in Amar Raja for the typist position. In my view, this was the secure job for me because I was very introvert and shy. I thought, here there is no need to talk or meet people. Just sit, type the letters which my boss assigns. To my first shock, the job I was offered was completely opposite compared to my wish. I was asked to join as a receptionist cum telephone operator. I was totally confused and scared. Oh my God, what to do? After a lot of inner fight within myself, I tried to conquer the fear and put my first step forward to accept this change as an opportunity. So in 1991, I decided to join in Amar Raja's journey. So from typist to receptionist was my first change in day one of my career life. And with this first change, in a queue, there were lots of changes awaiting for me. From this job, I was moved to administration function, then I was personal assistant to chairman. Later, I have changed to HR function in L&D. Then a drastic change awaited for me where I had to move as plant HR to other location, away from my home. This was the step when it was very hard to change personally and professionally. Later on, moved back to same location as plant business HR and for another plant, then to HR talent acquisition, and now at last got the opportunity to work in HR shared services. This may not be the final, maybe some other change is awaiting for me. So I will first accept the assumption that change is normal and not something foreign or unfairly imposed on me. The change needs to be an accepted part of life, and it is also a normal part of the workplace culture. In my past, when these changes hit me from all corners of directions in regular intervals, I definitely had a fear and thought, why it is always me? But as the change progressed, I understood that I was the lucky one who got this opportunity and thanked myself that I did not miss all these opportunities. In each and every change, there were great learnings. This brought me to become curious and very flexible individual, and this word change became my agent for my career advancement. I had my own mantra. Whenever there was a change, I decided to keep aside my fear and start focusing on the parameters of my new role. Like, what is the new job? What are the new works I'm going to take up? What skills I need to enhance? How is the culture in new place? And mainly, who are the new people whom I'm going to meet? So before going to the new role, when I am prepared and make this emotional connection between me and the new workplace and people, I'm confident enough that I will start loving my work and perform at highest level and be dedicated to the collective success of the organization. So this emotional connection is a motivating sense of satisfaction and intellectual alignment that can only come when we feel we have a real sense of belonging. I understood along with the changes that in both our personal and professional lives, we make movement when we are pulled by our emotions. This something deeper and longer lasting emotional connection can touch the hearts of people and live forever. If we see in Amar Raja, there are many people who have started their job and enhanced their career like me. Here, leaders in Amar Raja strives and empowers towards employees' personal development and professional growth. They also create many opportunities for employees to grow in their career. So, in my understanding, when employees feel supported by the leaders and able to be themselves, and also when employees connect with each other in a deeper way, it alters their perception of their workplace. It creates a positive dynamic, a sense of being in great company. You will also feel you are in place you love. You will choose to add value and you will determine to give more of yourself. Finally, as a result, you are more willing and able to achieve your business goals. So before coming to the end, let me sum up. As not only me, every one of us will be experiencing these changes. Therefore, with all these changes, let's change the way we perceive life. First, we can start to see things in cycle. Then slowly, let's see the things changing. Expect the change to come. Emotionally connect with new people, new place, new work, and then finally embrace the change. So friends, change is a very, very powerful coach. We can learn as much as we can from that word change, because change can change its mind anytime. Be ready for the change, connect emotionally, and grab the opportunity. All the best.